What is up, guys? TechRex here. So in this video we're going to be seeing which device holds up longer, the Galaxy S6, which is brand new, fully working. Here's the back. Or the competitor, the iPhone 6. So we're going to be doing the stopwatch app. We're going to drop both of these at approximately the same time. We're going to do our best to drop them at the same time and then see which one will be the champion. Which one will survive longer? Keep in mind, both devices are not waterproof, so it's going to be a completely fair game. So without any further ado, guys, let's go ahead and do this. Alright guys, so here's the S6 and the iPhone 6, both side by side. We're going to do our best to hit start at the same time and drop them in there. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay. So both devices are at 10 seconds, and look at that iPhone. Look at that iPhone, it's already gone. Woo. Let's take a look at that. Man, 10 seconds for the iPhone 6? What is this? We're going up to 30 seconds. We're going to lower the heat here because this thing is going to start dripping. Oh man. Yeah, lower the heat, lower the heat. Okay, 40 seconds. 40 seconds for the Galaxy S6. This is incredible. Look at this. Let's see if it can go up to a minute. And the iPhone 6, RIP. I mean, this thing is... Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, never mind. Attention, 4 applications have been closed. Your device is overheating. You can only use the phone and contact applications. Let's go ahead and... Ooh! Let's just go ahead and flip this guy over. Oh, that iPhone 6 though, for real. Give it a nice little stir right there. Ooh. Check that out. That is a good bath. That's a good bath. Okay, so one more time. Let's go ahead and see what's on the other side. Man. Alright, let's flip over the iPhone. Oh, this thing shut off. Oh, there it is. Just gave the... Come on, I want to do it at the same time. Stupid. Alright, okay. So we're going to go ahead and take both of these out, and we're going to see, maybe the iPhone 6 actually works. It just reset itself or something, or turned off for safety reasons. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and see what happened. Okay, guys, so now comes the cold bath. Of course, we want to actually try and see if this works. So, and for some reason, look at that. The Apple logo is dimly shining on the 6. So we're going to give it a cold bath. Okay guys, so here they are. I just rinsed them with cold water just so I can actually handle them. And again, we see the iPhone 6 showing some life. Let me go ahead and attempt to power on this guy here. And it doesn't look like it. Wow, so the iPhone 6 gets that last laugh. I guess where there is an apple, there is hope. No, I'm just kidding, guys, but I'm just the one doing the test. So as we could see at the beginning, iPhone 6 seemed to shut off. S6 was running well, almost to that 1 minute mark, but then after rinsing it with cold water, or actually just setting these aside, we had an Apple logo in the iPhone 6, and it's still there, but now it has gone away. So I assume that is pretty much it, guys, for that test. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more of these videos, and peace out.